Have you ever grown tomatoes in a plastic kitchen bin with compost and an automatic watering system? Today I will show you how to use these discarded items to grow tomatoes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Tomatoes are very important in daily meals. They provide nutrition, can be used to prepare many delicious dishes, have the ability to beautify and improve digestion. To sow tomato seeds, use a suitable seedling pot and add soil. You can take the seeds directly from a ripe tomato. Sow them directly and leave the seedling pot in a cool place. The seeds will germinate very quickly. I use discarded plastic kitchen bins and line them with fabric to grow tomatoes. I use two 2-liter plastic bottles. Cut off the top of one bottle and punch holes in the bottom to make an automatic green fertilizer. Punch holes in another bottle and connect absorbent towels to make an automatic watering system. After preparing the tomato pot, I started preparing the soil. I mixed rice husks and vermicompost with the soil. Loosen the soil. We mix rice husks into the soil to provide nutrients, make the soil more porous, and prevent erosion. In addition to providing direct nutrition, vermicompost also has high antibacterial properties and is harmless to humans. When adding soil to the pot, you need to balance the water tank and the green fertilizer tank. so that you can distribute water and nutrients to the two plants on both sides of the pot. With my unique germination method, after only 5 days, the tomato seeds sprouted green and healthy. I could start planting them. We can use organic fertilizer discarded in the kitchen to store in bottles, low cost but high efficiency. And don't forget to pour water into the vase. The absorbent towel will slowly lead water to the plant, helping to prevent erosion and keep the plant moist. Thanks a lot for the quality seedlings and the correct planting method. After 15 days, the tomato plants have grown big and healthy to continue growing, flowering, and fruiting. I will take care of them. To help the tree concentrate nutrients for growth, we should cut off unnecessary branches at the base, loosen the soil to help the tree metabolize better, and loosen the soil to remove weeds. We can reuse cut branches as green manure for plants. At each stage, we should add more kitchen compost to the container, which will slowly provide nutrients to the plants as it decomposes. Help the tree stand firm against the weather, not leaning. I add soil to help the tree develop roots and increase the tree's resistance, and can add worm castings to the tree. When the tree flowers and prepares to bear fruit, in addition to pruning, I also fertilize and spread a layer of rice husks on top to help provide long-term nutrition for the tree. After adding the worm castings, I spread a layer of rice husks on the surface to help loosen the soil and provide long-term nutrition. To help flowers produce more fruit and prevent pests, you can use garlic, onion, or ginger mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. As you can see, after only 45 days of planting tomatoes, I had big, ripe tomatoes. Now I can enjoy the fruits of my labor. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.